Hi, in this demo, we are going to see the capture process for this order. Now, we have to query this order number in order management. Navigate to sales order, query our order. To check the status of our order. Now, the status of our order is awaiting shipping. Now, we have to do the shipping. For shipping, navigate to shipping, release sales order, release sales order. Here, query our order number and delete the scheduled ship date for immediate shipping. In the shipping tab, auto create delivery yes, auto pick confirm yes. In the inventory tab, give warehouse M1 and click execute now. Now the message is displayed. Now we have to check the background process completed. It's completed. Now we have to check the status of our order. The status of our order is now shipped after shipping. Now we have to run the workflow background process. Submit new request and give OK. In the name field, give workflow background process, process deferred yes, process timeout no, and give OK. Give submit. Here ask for another request, give no. After running workflow background process, we have to check our background process completed or not. Make sure our background process is completed. After workflow background process completed, we have to run the receivable return operation. It's the responsibility we have to change. In the transaction, give transaction. Here we have to query our order with the exact GL date. Here we have to copy the invoice number for our order. After copying invoice number, we have to run the batches. For batches, we have to navigate receipts batches. In the batches, we have to select automatic and give receipt class as credit card, receipt method as credit card, and click create. In the transaction, give the invoice number. Click on approve and give OK. Now the transaction completed message pops up. Make sure your background process completed. Now our background process is completed. After running batches, we have to run receipt. So copy the batch number and navigate to receipts. Batch summary and give the batch number. And click maintain. Here we have to note the receipt number. After noting the receipt number, we have to run remittance. So navigate to remittance and give receipt class credit card, receipt method credit card. Click on bank, account number and click auto create. Here we have to give the receipt number. Click approve. OK. Give yes. Now we have to run the background process completed or not. Now the remittance process is completed. Now we have to run the settlement process. For settlement process, we have to change the responsibility into funds capture process manager. In the funds capture process manager responsibility, we have to run the submit of offline transaction. In the name give submit offline transaction, instrument type as credit card and click OK. Give submit. Here as for another request, please give no. Make sure your background process completed or not. Now the capture process is done. We have to check the order, captured order in CyberSource merchant site. Here click search. This is the order for the settlement. Now the request was processed successfully for credit card settlement. Here note the transref number. The transref number is common for both the authorization and the settlement process. In the request field, select transref number and give search. Now we note the matching transaction, 2 for this transref number, 1 for authorization, 1 for settlement. Thank you.